Hey y'all, welcome back, and today I'm doing a video on this cute bob curly short wig, natural looking, whatever. It looked like my hair. If you've been subscribed, you know this looks like my hair when I had it orange. So now I'm about to turn it to a wig. So right now I am just applying foundation to the lace like I do always, because who wants to sit and bleach some knots when you can just use foundation? It is so much quicker. The structure on the inside is so nice. They have a huge elastic band. It kind of looks like a bra strap, but it's really tight and it helps for the, melting application. So I am just applying the wig to my head, making sure all the clips are in, everything is secured, just in case a chick want to snatch that hair. Make sure it is secured, okay? Now you're going to line your lace up to make sure it fits your head so you can figure out what portion of the ear that you want to cut off. Now I'm back and I have cut the ear flaps off. Now it fits my head from ear to ear, my entire hairline, and I am applying the Got To Be glue in the black bottle, the gel. So this is a Glueless Install. Got To Be glue is not a glue. This is a gel that just gets tacky for the people that still don't know what that is. It's okay, but this is not a glue. It's a very easy to apply and easy to remove process. And I thought I was going to be using a black little headband, but I ended up using a scarf, so don't mind the headband, just don't mind it at all. So I'm just pressing the lace into the glue, making sure that I have the lace placed exactly where I want it to be, just giving it an extra melt before I tie it down, just pressing it down, making sure the lace knows this is where you're supposed to lay and melt, okay? Disregard the headband. You can use that as well if you have a tight headband. That is a way to melt your lace. If not, you can use a scarf, anything that's going to hold it down and let that gel dry. Now I am putting some curling cream that I use on my hair into this frontal, because it is a curly frontal and it is very much natural hair like. And I'm just putting it in some twists so it can get some juiciness to it and take it down. It'll be a cute little wash and go. Now, I did not put my back clip in yet, so I know you're probably looking like, oh my God, we can see all your hair in the back, but that is not true. Just wait. And now I am using a eyebrow razor to cut the lace off, and I don't cut all the way down. I cut just the majority off so I can see what's left. So one thing about this lace is it really didn't tint. It didn't really take to my foundation, so I probably should have used something different. But I also know how to finesse that, and I'm about to show you guys right now. So the excess lace that you see that is sticking up, I just used some Got To Be gel like on the edge of a rat tail comb or the edge of the eyebrow razor. I can't talk. And just lay that down. Now I'm going to go in with the same brush that I used with some foundation on it. So just some leftover foundation, not too much. And just apply it to that lace that's left. Just so it can be skin-like. Now I'm just taking the twist out, letting it dry, put some mousse on the top so those flyaways disappear. And I ended up changing my hair into a side part. I'm sorry I didn't show that. But yeah, that is the ending. I hope you guys liked it. This is me feeling myself all on Snapchat. I put some lashes on just to make it, you know, kind of cute. Did my edges or whatever. And yeah, that is it. Period. Bye. Subscribe.